Hi everybody, so just a bit of an update from us. Obviously it's been a while since we did a video. So obviously young birds are starting to fly better now. Obviously we've got some of the younger ones that are now getting up and going with them, which is good. And hopefully we should be able on Saturday to do our first chuck with the older group, which will only be a mile, but you know, we'll see how it goes. I've got some young birds I'm going to show you because they're just some new ones we picked up the other day. So I'll get those and show you those, and also our videos are going to go to being put out on Saturdays, purely because obviously started a new job and it's the only time of the week that I've got to make a video. So hopefully you'll still be able to watch it, even if it's not on a day that's convenient for you. You better catch up on it later on. So I'm just going to get these young birds and we'll take a look at them. So I've got a beautiful little blue pencil, nice looking baby. One's ready to go in. These should hopefully start to come out in the course of the next few days. Just obviously need to make sure I've done a bit of trap training. Blue. So just do a bit of trap training with them first before we can have them out, to make sure that we can get them back in. And then another blue there. And then this beautiful little guy. Come here, little one. I know, I've heard you. A little red pied one. A little mealy pied, sorry. So there's just 4 of us new babies, and we picked those up. What day did we pick them up now? What day are we on? We picked those up at the weekend, anyway. We picked those up at the weekend. So of course, next few days, we'll do a bit more trap training with them so that we know that they're solid going back in and understanding what the whistle means and everything else like that. Then they can start and come out. So I'm going to get sorted and I'm going to get these young birds out flying. So there they are, give them a good fly, give them an hour out, and then we'll basket them up and so we can trap train them in with the food. Where's it gone? So all young birds having a flap about. Been flying now for about 15 minutes. Right, so they're all down. They've flown for 35 minutes, had a good fly, got off and disappeared for a good 10 minutes or so. So they're all just now having a bit of a stretch and a flap from roof to roof. Obviously normally, like when we was at old place, we wouldn't let them, we were sat on the roof by this point, but what we've learnt before, that once you start putting them in the basket, generally they go straight into the loft and don't land on the roof. So we'll see how it's fared for us not to be a bit more strict with them. I love watching them have a flap about. It's so nice to just sit and watch them. It's peaceful to see them just flapping about and just here, there and everywhere. The only thing we don't do is let them land on the floor. It's the only thing we don't let them do, land on the floor. They've decided to strike back up and have another bit of a fly around. Where's they gone? Here they are. There they are. Right, so they're landing back down. They've all just flown for an extra 20 minutes. I can't complain at that, because that's a 40 minute, no, how long have they flown for? 55 minutes total now, so that's really good. Really good. So give them 5 minutes down and hopefully we can trot them in. They're just two younger ones then. They're still learning bob wires. That's it. Right, so everybody's back in, all eaten, and just having a little wander around. I'm going to open the aviary back up for them so they can go back outside. Put into the aviary this time. There we go. Getting a nice group going now. So that's just a little update from us, and hopefully I can show you more on Saturday to come, as obviously some more updates, and fingers crossed, as long as the birds keep going as well as they are, hopefully we should do a mile chuck, but we'll see. And I hope that your old bird season is going really well if you're racing old birds, and I hope the young birds are coming along nicely, and I shall see you soon.